If you're a dentist or a dental practice owner, you know that having a website is essential for attracting new patients. But just having a website isn't enough. To really stand out, you need to optimize it for search engines like Google. Today, I'm going to share an SEO checklist for your dental website, so you can start driving more traffic and getting more patients. Let's start. Keyword research. Before you can optimize your website, you need to know which keywords your potential patients are searching for. Focus on location-based terms like dentist and city name, or service-based keywords like cosmetic dentistry, emergency dental care. On-page SEO refers to optimizing the content on your website so that it ranks well in search engines. Here's what you need to focus on. Include your target keywords in the title of each page. For example, best dentist and city name for your homepage. Meta descriptions. Write compelling meta descriptions with your keywords. This text appears under your website's title in search results, so make it catchy. Headings and subheadings. Use H1, H2, and H3 tags to organize your content and include keywords in these headings. Alt text for images. Search engines can't read images, so make sure to add descriptive alt text with relevant keywords for every image on your site. URL structure. Keep your URLs clean and descriptive. Local SEO. For any dental practice, local SEO is essential. You need to make sure people in your area can find you. Here's how. Claim and optimize your Google My Business listing. Fill in all your details: practice name, address, phone number, hours, and services. Address and phone number, NAP, need to be consistent across your website and all online directories. Earn reviews. Encourage patients to leave reviews on Google and other review platforms like Yelp. Positive reviews will boost your local rankings and build trust. Technical SEO. This is the behind-the-scenes stuff that helps search engines crawl and index your site. Do you know what you need to do? Mobile optimization. Make sure your website is mobile-friendly. A large portion of people search for dental services on their phones, so your site needs to look good and load quickly on all devices. Site speed. Google loves fast websites, and so do your visitors. Use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights to check your site's speed and improve it. HTTPS. Make sure your website is secure by using HTTPS. Google favors secure sites, and your patients will feel safer on your site. Backlinks are links from other websites to yours, and they are a big factor in SEO rankings. Aim to get backlinks from reputable sources like dental associations, local business directories, or guest posts on health blogs. The more quality backlinks you have, the more authoritative your website will appear to search engines. So, there you have it, your ultimate SEO checklist for a dental website. By following these tips, you'll improve your website's visibility, attract more local patients, and ultimately grow your practice. To get free SEO audit for your dental or dental clinic website, contact